Jai Hind class, welcome life of computer science. Students, previous class we have started introducing the Python. What we have read students, just see one with this document, with this PDF file. Uh, we have started this chapter and how to uh, just we will understand about with the help of this recipe how to we whatever the ingredient that is like as a input, and when we ingredient this is as a processing, that is the process, and what we are getting the as a output, that is the form of the output, that is result. Okay, and now what we can do with the help of this Python, now we have discussed how to install the Python. We have already told. I think many of you downloaded this one. These things we will soon. Today we will also we have discussed these components of Python: file, edit, cell, menu bar, title bar, script area, status bar. These all are title bar. That is the contain the command like minimize, maximize, restore, and close. Menu bar, edits, file, cell, debug, options, window, and help. Working with file menu, what we can do with the file. Huh? These options are given: new, open, okay, save as, exit, cancel, close. These all are we can do. Uh, Working with file menu, working with edit menu, we can cut, copy, or paste, and other many more things are given. Next one, working with help menu, script area and status bar. What the help with the help of this one, what we can do? Script area we can write the code. Status bar they're showing the what line, what columns, what way. And in Python, they work as a two ways: interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode, that is the we are working with the Python working with the line by line, giving the output. In this mode, the commands are typed next to the Python command. Is showing like this one. That is, suppose for example, given if you type 3 plus 6, then what answer we will get? At once we will get the result as a 9. We want to show students. Say one, I am opening. I think everyone downloaded Python. Python 3.9 here. Okay, student, it is open. Now what is written there? 3 plus 6. So we will write here 3 plus 6. Students, just now we have got 9. You can see, students, your page number, I am telling you page number, there is given. Page number 101, there is given. Okay. To work the interactive mode, follow the process. Click on the start button. Then you have to open. When the Python will open, it is so like that. Python 3. This one version, and when it will release and type, this is okay. So all the things are showing whatever the in book everyone saying. Okay. Now next here is given welcome to Python world. We will write now welcome to Python world. So I am writing also here welcome to Python world. See what way we have written, same way we are seeing the its output. Next is given the 10. So when we write the 10, what we are saying the 10. Okay, students. Now their floating statement is given 12.7 a decimal form. So C1 same. Now given the A, so you can see here A is capital A. Now A we are seeing 10 greater than 10 less than 5, means this is the see 10 less than 5. What you will see the answer? What is see the result? False. But when you write a 10 greater than 5, what you will get the result? True. Okay, understood, student? 10 plus 20. 30 we have got. So this way how we can do. Now use of the interpreter. Interpreter, see now we have done this one, this page. In the interactive port of the Python, the commands are executed line by line. We can see here line by line I am seeing the output. When you type a command next to the Python prompt, this one, and press the enter key, the interpreter convert the command into machine language. After processing, the interpreter again convert the machine code into human readable form like output. Okay. Now, so just now we have seen issuance. Just now we have seen, suppose we have given 20 plus 30. So what we have seen, welcome in Sunbeam okay, welcome Sunbeam Academy. C1 issuance, welcome Sunbeam Academy. So whatever you will write, its perfect form, then you will get the result at the same way. Clear, students? So now using the print function, how we will use the print function? Print function is for the output. This is for output of any command on the screen. It can also be used to print the specified message. Suppose hello world, then what we will see the answer? Hello world, the same word. But see one, I am showing you. Print hello world. Now close this one. See one. Many things, when you have written welcome to Python world, I am writing here welcome to Python world. See this. This is should be the commas, quotation word, quotation is coming. But when you are writing print options, quotation is not coming. Same writing print welcome to Python world. What happened? Only I am seeing the welcome to Python world, not any other more thing, not commas, not print option. So print is basically for the showing the output. Clear, students? Okay, welcome to the hello world is saying here. Python is a case sensitive programming language. Students, first of all, we want to tell what the means of the case sensitive language. Case sensitive language, it means if you are writing the as a sentence form, suppose there are print options given, print all letter are given in the small letter. Okay, this is the it means the Python differentiate between the capital and small letters. Yes, students. For example, print option is given, P is capital and print P is small. P is a capital and print option, in print option we can see P as a small letter, are two different things for Python. Where print is a valid command in Python, while print is a small capital letter print, it's just a word and not a command. Okay, I am showing what is difference in both. See, students, normal print. So you can see here we have used the print is small letter. Then hello world. See here, only hello world. Okay, we have got. Now we are writing changing the command P. P is a capital RINT. You can see the color has not changed. here color is like a pink color, but here the color is only black, not change the color. Hello world. Trace back most recent call last file, means there the name error, print is not defined. See here, print is not defined. Last line showing the print is not defined. So it means that if you will write the valid keyword, then we will see the answer, otherwise we will get the error. Clear, students? Here you can see in your book, students, page number 1 to 2. I am seeing also, you everyone see. We can also pass more than one argument to the print function. In such a case, the arguments are separately commas as shown. I think, students, whatever the going on, it should be also you are doing as a practical. That is very important. Without practical, you cannot understand, students. So it's request to everyone also doing practical, students. Continue. Okay, students. You will see this. There is a form is given. You will see on the book. Print Python is a high level language. It has easy syntax. Okay. Print Python is a high level language. It has easy syntax. So also I am writing, students. Print Python is a high level language. Then it has sorry, students, easy syntax. See here, Python is a high level language. It has easy syntax. You can see, students. Now next one is given, print option. Print 10 plus 8, sorry, 10 multi 10 asterisk 8 minus 50 plus 30, then again asterisk 2 slash 10 equal sorry, equal 10, same thing is given. Okay, then close. What we have got is, we have got the answer. 10 multiply 8 minus 50 plus 30 multiply 2 and slash 10 equal. Okay, we have got the answer. Now it is the syntax. Why we have written the syntax? Because what the answer will come. If suppose we will not write, so these things will not show. Okay, file, new file. Okay, this way. Next one is given print 5 plus 5, then 5 into 5. Now this is a quotation word. Okay. Print 5 plus 5 equal, then comma 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5. Same way, comma, if you want to and 5 multiply 5
Can I come in?
5 multiply 5 multiply 5. What answer, students? Not seeing any answer? Yes. Now I'm showing this way on this module, students. This idle cell, okay? Here, same thing. See, the syntax error, invalid syntax. Where? Because there we have given space. Again, writing here, students. If any mistakes, then we will get, it should be again syntax error we are getting. It means, see here, the syntax error. So again I'm writing, students, C1, if any small space unnecessary, so also we will get the same 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal, then 5 plus 5 and 5 multiply 5 equal, comma, it should be a comma. Okay, see there, if you have forget here comma, so your answer will not come. Now 5 multiply 5, see here, 5 plus 5 equal 10 and 5 multiply 5, that 25. Clear, students? So next one is, students, next here, using the idle as a calculator. Yes, students, using idle means ideally as a calculator. How we can use? They written, to evaluate an arithmetic expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. Yes, students, how we are writing just now, using a print option, then we are writing the other things. So they are saying that to evaluate to an arithmetic expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. If you type an arithmetic expression at the Python prompt and press the enter key, the interpreter automatically evaluates it and shows the result. In this case, the interpreter has a simple calculator. Yes, you know that, interpreter has a simple calculator, as a work as a simple calculator. The expression are evaluated using the operators like a plus, minus, multiply, slash, etc. The basic Modma's rules are, there is given, very well. Okay, suppose I'm telling also students. Wait students, again I'm opening. Same thing. Say 10 plus 20 is given students. So 10 plus 20. Okay, 30 we have got. Now if you want to divide this one any number, 45 is given. 45 slash 6. See the 7.5 has come. You can see in your book also student. There's same numbers we have taken. 67 slash 8. Same. Okay. Now 45 multiply 78.7. Say students 3541.5. If there is given students after that, there is given in idle you can press alt plus p to repeat the previous command. Yes, with the help of this one you can use it. Alt plus p students, alt plus p. See this. Just now we have done this now. Now same. Okay. There is given students a practice time. Type the following expression one by one next to the Python prompt and note down the output to the. So now we is just doing this one. How to do this student? C1 23 multiply asterisk 98. So C1, have you opened the book? You can see as a result 2552254. Okay. Now next is given in the bracket 100 plus 58 slash 3. 52.666 is something is coming at last 4. Okay. So you can write in your this one output. Clear students? So now we have got this two result expression. This expression result we have got. You will write the statement next to Python using a print function to get the following output. Okay. Now by the using of print function, how we will do students? C1 print first we have written 23 multiply 98. 23 multiply 98 equal, okay students, then comma, not now 23 multiply 98. See students, now we have got, okay, this is print option. Add the statement next to the Python prompt using the print function. Python work in two mode, interactive and mode and script mode. So we have done this way. Now next question also given here, print hundred plus 58 then slash 3 is given, then equal, okay, then comma, same thing we will write, okay, close it. Say this same, you can see here 23 these two answers, and with the help of here we have done. Now next we have done 100 plus 50 slash 3, the simple calculator form, and here we have used the print option command. Clear students? Okay students, so this you you have to do, and variables in Python. Students, you have to read this one. On next class we have to study this one. Clear? Okay students, now till whatever we have read, you have to do practice students. That is I think everyone downloaded the Python and how to use whatever we have done, and you will do it. Okay, so students, also I am sending students the for practice worksheet, so you have to practice it and you will send it to when the window will open. Okay students? Okay, now students, I am leaving the class. Jai Hind class. Thank you students.